Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a customer satisfaction survey on your phone using FormsAPP. I'll use a coffee brand satisfaction survey as an example. Step 1. Open FormsAPP, tap Create Form, then choose Blank to start from an empty template. P.S. If you're not sure how to start, check out our previous video. You'll learn how to create a form using AI. Step 2. Once the template opens, tap Use Now and give your form a name. I'll call mine Coffee Brand Customer Satisfaction Survey. Step 3. After naming your form, start adding your survey questions. First, edit the form title and description to tell your customers what this form is about and thank them for their time. Next, let's start adding the questions we want to include. Tap the plus button at the bottom to add a question. You can choose from multiple choice, checkboxes, liner scale, or short answer, whatever fits your survey. Question 1. I want to ask how often customers buy our coffee. This will be a multiple choice question, so select multiple choice. Question 2. Ask what type of coffee customers usually buy. This one's a checkboxes, so choose checkboxes. Question 3. I'd like to know how satisfied customers are with different aspects, like coffee quality and packaging design. For this, choose multiple choice grid. Under rows, list the aspects customers will rate, such as coffee quality and packaging design. Under columns, add rating options like satisfied, neutral, and dissatisfied. Question 4. I'd like to collect personalized feedback from customers. This will be a short answer question. Tap short answer. Type your question, then go to More. Description to add extra details if needed. Step 4. If you're not sure what questions to add, tap AI Suggest Questions. AI will recommend questions based on your form topic. These AI suggestions often cover details we might miss. For example, it suggested a question like, how likely are you to recommend our coffee to others? Which is very useful. Pick the questions you like and import them into your form. Now I've finished my survey and want to preview it before sharing it. Tap Publish icon in the top right corner, then tap Publish. Next, tap Preview tab at the top to preview and check for any issues. If you find any problems, you can go back to the questions page to make edits. My survey looks good and I'm ready to share it. Finally, share your form. Tap Publish in the top right, then copy the form link or download the QR code. Share it with your customers so they can fill it out easily. Once published, customers can open the form by clicking the link or scanning the QR code. You'll start receiving responses right away. After people respond, go back to FormsAPP, Responses to view the collected answers. Summary gives you an overview of all responses. Question shows responses for each individual question. Individual displays each person's complete submission. Normally, survey data can be overwhelming, but FormsAPP's AI tools help you make sense of it all. Tap AI Analysis, and AI will generate a survey overview, key insights, and recommendations. For example, it suggested that I could launch referral programs to convert frequent buyers into promoters, giving me clear direction for future improvements. You can also tap AI Chat to ask custom questions. The AI will analyze your responses and provide actionable insights. For example, I asked, do customers think our coffee is too expensive, and should we lower the price? The AI analyzed the data and gave me clear suggestions, which saved me a lot of time.